even though it's been around for so long, social media, people still haven't jumped on the bandwagon. A lot of people. Some have, many have, but some haven't, many haven't, and they've fallen dangerously behind. It's not too late, but it's critical, especially if you're in business, to know how to use social media. For personal reasons, yeah, it's how you keep in touch with your family and friends, people you might not have a chance to talk with, connect with otherwise. But business, it is almost a job requirement, certainly if you're in the marketing field. But I think it should be a job requirement for anyone who's dealing with customers, clients, contacts, constituents, the outside world. This is how presidents get elected. This is how CEOs help build a better brand, help build their own audience, help establish themselves as thought leaders. This is how salespeople connect with potential customers and clients. Come on.